In version 2017, ProCAT has added the ability to find all instances of a search criteria to a dockable panel. So the first thing we must do is actually dock the Find List panel in our transcript. So we're going to go to View, we're going to Show Panels, go down to Customize Panels, and select Find List. Click OK. This will place the dockable Find List panel in your transcript, and you can resize this and move it wherever you wish. Now, the reason you might want to do this is if one of your attorneys or maybe your judge or whomever wants to locate a specific thing within a transcript, you're going to be able to find them quickly for readback or anything else that they may need. So what we're going to do now is we need to search. So we're going to use our F5 key. We're going to place our search criteria in the Find line, and then we're going to click on Find All. Once you do that, you're going to pull up every single page and line, and this will help you to be able to read back something they want in numerous places or give them the information they need. And that's all there is to finding all in a specific version.